it's your girl Faith L93, and thank you all for tuning back into my channel. And if you're new to my channel over here just lurking around, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. Alright, you guys, so as you can tell by the title of this video, I tried a quick weave on this hair, and I do have it in. I've had it in for 2 weeks now. So first, let's go ahead and get into the video and how I installed it, and then we will come back and I will review this hair for you guys. So let's get into it. Let's just do it right. 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 Get it started. Get it started right now. Get it started right now. That's time for you to get it started. Get it started right now. Get it started right now. That's right. Haven't felt good in a long time. Think that I should, it's about time. I'ma get mine if my best friend. That's right. Haven't felt good in a long time. Think that I should, it's about time. I'ma get mine if my best friend. That's right. Everybody's talking, saying that we're wrong, so we should get something to talk about. 'Cause everybody's talking, saying that we're wrong, so we should give them something. Let's give them something to talk about. Oh, 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 maybe I could get lost in you. Can't get enough of you. Baby, give me good love. Boy, you give me good love. Maybe I could get lost in you. Can't get enough of you. Baby, give me good love. Boy, you give me good love. I'm not no girl that I used to be. Sometimes I'm more than words. I'm beyond what I once was. I don't believe in love. Hey, hey, if I want something I got it. Hey, hey, oh baby, I don't need lonely. Hey, hey, 'cause I love finding my body. Wasn't real with you, boy. Real, wasn't real with you, boy. You won't give me too much chances. I don't care, I'll find your fence and brighter. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh boy, I'm telling you goodbye, I'm telling you goodbye, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, oh boy, I'll tell you goodbye, I'll tell you goodbye, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, oh boy, I'll tell you goodbye, I'll tell you goodbye, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, oh boy, I'm telling you goodbye, I'm telling you goodbye, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, oh boy, I'll tell you goodbye, I'll tell you goodbye, yeah, yeah. Maybe I could get lost in you. Can't get enough of you. Baby, give me good love.
Friday, I installed the Organique beach curl, and I did the flip over method, and this is what not she, because this ain't a wig. This is what the hair is looking like after 2 weeks. So basically this is almost like 2.5 weeks actually where I'm at now, and we are taking this down this Friday because I have a hair appointment. But I wanted to keep this in just because it's been easy to work with, and also I can go to the gym and work out with this and everything. So the hair is starting to get a little matted and tangled and stuff, but it is curly hair, so I did expect that. It still looks decent, like I can go out the house, you know. So yeah, the hair still looks pretty decent. I just myself have noticed some matting. Would I get this hair again? Probably, most definitely, for a quick weave, like for it to last. If I need a cute little style to last me about 2.5 weeks, like yes, this would be perfect. I can work out with it. So yeah, it's been very, very nice. Sometimes I'll kind of wear it in like a half up, half down style, where I'll pull it up like that, and then most of the times I just wear it flipped over. And then I can also flip it to this side as well, so I can change up the side that I flip the hair on. So I am happy about that. This hair comes down to about right here on me. Let me turn around so y'all can see the back. I would say the older that this hair gets, the bigger it gets as well. I've only put mousse on it maybe once. So yeah, this is what the hair is looking like with mousse only once. When I go to sleep at night, of course I will twist my leave out. Just do 2 flat twists on the side of my head, and then I was taking my hair, splitting it in half like such, and then I would take one half, split it into another half, and then do a twist. So then I would have 4 twists going to bed like such. So 2 on this side, 2 on this side, and then I would put my bonnet on. So that's literally how I was taking care of my hair. The past few days I have not been doing all of that. I just been putting on the bonnet because I'm about to get ready to take this out soon. So it has definitely done its job. I think that you guys should try this out. I know I hadn't seen a lot of people try the beach curl on YouTube, so that's why I wanted to do a review on this hair. I really, really like it. So tell me, what do you guys think as far as for a quick weave with some synthetic hair? Would you guys be willing to try this out? Have you tried it out already? Let me know down in the comment section below, you guys. So yeah, that is it for this hair review. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next video.